Hello friends, today I'll be presenting before you a Thumri in Rag Mishra Pilu. Thumri is a form of semi-classical Indian music. All of you are aware that in Indian music, especially in Hindustani classical music, the North Indian style, there is the classical music form and there is a semi-classical music form. Classical music form includes Bada Khayal, Chota Khayal, Drupad, Dhamar, etc. And the semi-classical style includes Thumri, Tappa, Dadra, Ghazal and so on. So today's presentation is a Thumri. Thumri essentially means a composition sung to enable dance. Thumri, Thumakna comes from that word, and which is how it means Thumri. In the earlier days, in the medieval part of the century in India, in the courts of the emperors, especially the Mughal emperors, these songs were composed and the dancers would dance on their tunes. And then of course eventually Thumri evolved and it also began including philosophical texts in it from the usual norm of being more romantic. Like today's Thumri is one such example in which the text is totally philosophical. It says, सोच समझ नादान अरे आशिक होकर रोना क्या जिस नगरी में दया धर्म नाही उस नगरी में रहना क्या. It is set to a 14-beat cycle called Deep Chandi, and towards the end of it the speed will increase and it will be like a crescendo kind of a speed in which the cycle will change into an 8-beat cycle, and then at the end of it you come back to the original 14-beat cycle and in the original speed, which was a slower speed, and that is where you end the Thumri. So I hope all of you enjoyed, and please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also please do post your comments, and would really love to have questions from you and your feedback. Thank you so much and happy listening. मैंने शब्द कहते समय आशिक होकर फिर सोना कहा था, मगर वो है रोना. सोच समझ सोच समझ आशिक हो फिर रोना क्या. सोच समझना
सोच शिवरंजनी थोड़ा सा ठुमरी में, that's the speciality of ठुमरी कि उसके आसपास के जो राग हैं उसको हम उसकी छटा हम थोड़े से दिखा सकते हैं। तो शिवरंजनी, the idea is to just enhance the mood by bringing to light the rags which are kind of similar to the rag that we are presenting right now. So it's a humble effort. So Shivaranjani. Sare ga pa da sa sa da pa. Sare ga pa da sa da pa ga da ga da ga. So transitioning onto the original rag. Na da जौनपुरी सारे मा पा धा मा पा ग रे सारे रे मा पा धा मा पा सा धा पा मा नी धा पा मा पा धा मा पा ग रे मा पा ग रे सारे सो सोच समझना जिस नगरी में दया धर्म नाही, दया Reggie, how much time can we finish in the next 15 minutes?
That's fine, so we can keep going. I think, I can see the audience. So
They're all sitting.
they're all sitting here. So
Well, I always believe that it's always good to finish before everyone says that you better finish.